Tahi ahum adugi loibanda khi nasi Imphan lakpase is very nungaide. We Manipur very heals the gay relation naibise. Adum fazana chatpase pami.
Churachandpurdagi Zomi Council gi mihut Kangbu ama ngasi ayuk Chief Minister Yumnang Khemchandga unaduna peace amadi chokot thorang
we were having a very healthy
Manipurda peace puraknaba amadi chokot lamjel da khumang yangsinnaba punna hotnaminaba mathau tai haina Zomi Council gi chairman Vumswan Naulakna Fongdokre Thanlon AC gi MLA oiramba Laikhidraba Vungzagin Valte gi machanupa Joseph Valte yauna lakiba Zomi Council gi team aduda Lobasigi Secretary Information and Publicity Mary Zonsu Sarukyaki Mute Kangboduna Chief Minister gi Banglo da Laktuna Chief Minister ga unaki CM ga unaduna wari Shanabaduda Thanga AC gi MLA Tongbram Robindro Su Sarukyaki hairi wari Sanaba loiraba matungda Zomi Council gi Chairman na Fongdorokibada Zomi Council haibasi Manipur gi tongan ba tribe nipan na pullaga sembani Churachandpurda hauzik paikhatliba chakot thoranga mari leinana amadi amaga henna thajanaba puraknabagi pandamda Chief Minister ga unnaba lakpani haiki State lainga ki maikaidagi peace puraknaba amadi amatta oina thabak tawminnanaba thabak kaya paikhatlakpa si yamna nungaiba fawi hai loinana Secretary Mary nasu chahi ahumgi matungda Imphal da lakpada yamna nungaiba fawi haiba wafam thamladuna Manipur gi ching amasung Tamga Mari Fazana Thamba Pami Loinana Haukiba Chahi Ahum Masida Awaba Kaya Tokrabasu Amukhanna Amaga Afaba Mari Thamnaduna Hanagi Fibam da Laibana Fagani Khalli Haiba Wafam Fungdorki Hari.
We were having a very healthy and warm interaction, and after the discussions we partook a delicious lunch, and we are very grateful that the state government is reaching out so that we could work together for the development of our people and for future peace. And the Zomi Council wishes that peace should return to Manipur state, and people should work together, people should interact, and people should look forward towards progress of the people, progress of the state.
Tahi ahum adugi loibanda khi nasi Imphan lakpase is very nungaide. We Manipur very heals the gay relation naibise. Adum fazana chatpase pami adum khapratna justice haisra koina waba thingnaba si tahi ahum manungde koina thingnaba singse reconcile natrega looking back to our say culture haibetare aduga ingbada agadi haibase wafam se thamdi.
So we came down to the Chief Minister office today. We have a great interaction with the Chief Minister, and we are looking for peace and prosperity to come to the Manipur state, and looking forward for peace and prosperity.